This is the Jeshopur Park. This is the back side of the Jeshopur Park entrance. Oh my god, where's the panel this year? I can just spot the panel. Where's the panel? Oh, there. So if hot in the car, the car was just below the sun and it's so hot. Let me turn on the AC. Let the hot air go outside, then I'll continue. Hello and welcome back to another new vlog. Today is Saturday, 10th of October, and now I'm heading towards Goriahat. The plan for my plan is to go to Goriahat and do some shopping because Puja is quite near. I haven't yet started shopping, so today I'm going alone because my parents are busy. So today I'm going alone. Yeah, let's see whether we can find some good stuff over there. So since I'm going there, I decided to show you the pandals of South Kolkata. Since it's about 10 days to go for, nearly about 10 days to go for the Durga Puja 2020. So maximum of the pandals must be done. The progress of the pandal must be done. Right now, opposite to the ITC Royal Bengal. I just stopped here to tell you the plan for today. So since I'm going there, I'll go straight towards Jubi and take a right turn towards Goriahat. In between that, I'll be able to see the progress of the Boshpukur pandal. These are the famous pandals of the South Kolkata, Boshpukur. After Boshpukur, I will head towards Ekdalia. That is my school para basically. So after showing you Ekdalia, I'll show you Shingi Park, and after that I'll cover the Hindustan Park also. Since I'm going to Goriahat, so I've decided to add another video to my Durga Puja preparation 2020 playlist. So I've made 4 videos of Durga Puja preparation 2020. So if you haven't seen that, do watch that out. Link will be in the I button. So this is all the plan for today. Now let's see what are the progress of the pandals in South Kolkata. So stay tuned to the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and please like the video if you liked it. So now let's continue the journey. So I have found a new spot of keeping the phone because it's quite risky to hold the phone and drive. Okay, you can see a new look of me. After ages I'm wearing my sunglasses. I don't remember last when I wore it. So this lockdown has changed the whole scenario, the whole lifestyle. This dress is of my last Durga Puja shopping. So this is the second time I am wearing this dress after last Durga Puja. I wore it last Durga Puja Dashami. This is the second time I'm wearing it because in between the 7 to 8 months was full lockdown, so I didn't have the chance because after Durga Puja winter came, so no chance of wearing half sleeves, and now after that summer came with Corona, and now I've got a chance to wear it. South Kolkata, there are various pandals, famous pandals that are famous for their architecture structures every year. As I told, today I'm going to show you Boshpukur, Ekdalia, Shingi Park, Hindustan Park, and if possible do Jeshopur Park also. So these are all the famous pandals in South Kolkata, and after that there is Nagtola. at first I'll show you the Boshpukur, that is before Goriahat. So that will be on my way at first. So I'll meet you when I am near to the Boshpukur area. So I have reached near Boshpukur, just few meters from here, and have a look at the barriers on the side of the road. This is all are been put up for the Durga Puja, for the line only. I hope so. I'm able to get down and just have a look. This is the pandal. They make huge pandals every year in this small area, but this year I think the size is quite similar to the previous years. So this is all the scene, and the work is going on. They have guarded this area so that no one can be able to guess the theme this year. Just have a look. This is all the structures over here. This is near, that road goes straight to Dhubi, and this is near Dhubi, and this road heads towards the Goriahat. This was all for the Boshpukur. This is all you can see, and I can see, everyone can see from here. And you can see that maximum of the work are done, only the rest decoration are left. So this is all the scene before 10 days in Boshpukur. Now I'll be heading towards Goriahat. So luckily I got a parking. It's quite a tough task to find parking over here. So you got to see how the progress of the pandals in Boshpukur. Now let's go to the Ekdalia near Goriahat. You can see the banners on this side of the road. These are all for the advertisement. These banners are made all for the advertisements. Now I have reached near Goriahat. This is the train line below. So finally I have reached the Ekdalia. This pandal is known as Ekdalia Evergreen. So I have a look from the back side. Basically during Puja all these roads are blocked due to the massive crowd. So the cars are not allowed. Till here only the cars are allowed. But from now this side the full of stalls are being set up. Ice cream stalls, food stalls. And this is the pandal from this side. So let me have a quick stop over here and show you. Finally guys, this is the Ekdalia. This is my school para. My school is quite near from here. So this is the Ekdalia Evergreen, and they make beautiful pandals every year. The structure outside the pandal, the designing outside the pandals are quite beautiful every year. And have a look, this is the pandal. Most of the work has been done. Durga idol has not been come here. So just check out. And here the road straight goes to the Singhi Park, and these are all the bamboos kept for the construction work. More around 20 to 30% construction works are left. Just have a look. This is the Ekdalia Evergreen, and here there are many shops over here, Domino's and all. And this straight road goes to Singhi Park and Goriahat. Now, so these all are footpath stalls. Started from here only, and since it's a weekend, the crowd must be and will be very much compared to the weekdays, since it's the second last weekend of before Durga Puja. So I will be expecting huge crowd over here, because people every year starts shopping 2 to 3 months before, but they didn't get a chance this year, so it will be much crowded. So after showing you the Singhi Park, I show you the Durga Goriahat market also. This is the Singhi Park Durga Puja. Everywhere they make structures of similar to this. On the right side they set up the Durga idols, and this is quite a small and compact puja in this small area. Every year they make similar types of pandals with different themes, and they make it in that small area only. So these are the two pujas in this area. Now I'll be heading towards Hindustan Park, after that Deshopriyo Park, and these are all. Let's see if other I can also show you. Now I have to get down and park my car here. I have to do some shopping for my parents. So after that I'll show you. These are all the Goriahat, famous Goriahat market. Just see the garments over here, bed covers, After New Market, Gorihat Market is the famous market for all the ladies and gents also. You can get everything over here at a little cheap price compared to the other branded showrooms. So people gather here every year before puja to shop. Now I have to find a parking spot over here. So finally managed to get a parking. Let me take my sanitizer and get down. It's so hot. I have to switch off the AC and vlog. So here behind me you can see, yes, that's the Gorihat market, and from this shop every year we buy Punjabis. So I will be getting into that store only, and this is all. It is so much crowded over here today, so I won't be taking a risk to make a video. So I'll make a short video of this only. So the shopping is done for my parents, and now I'll show you the Gorihat market. These are all the stalls. Luckily it's empty, not that much crowded compared to other years. These are all the sari shops over here, and these are all the jewelry shops, table mats. Let's have a look. These are all the jewelry shops over here. These are the sari shops, full of jewelry shops. These are all the Punjabi shops. Every garments of ladies, gents. These are all the home decor things. Everything is available over here. And since this place is claustrophobic, it's quite hot and humid over here. I'm just sweating madly, and luckily the crowd is less today compared to the other years. But still, the scenario of the feeling of the Durga Puja shopping is same like the other years only. Behind me, this is the Gorihat Fort, and on the left, I just came out from the footpath. It's so claustrophobic over there, but luckily, as I told, the crowd is less this time. So people are maintaining. I am seeing that everyone is wearing masks. People are still cautious about this corona infection, coronavirus, whatever. So it's a good sign to see that people are maintaining all the hygiene things. Everybody is wearing masks, and that's a good sign. This is the triangular park area, and after this there will be one more puja. And here also this place, these are all famous for the Gorihat sari shops. Big sari shops are located over here, Adi Dhakeshwari and all. And now I have to go left somewhere in this lane, or might be the next lane. Now this is another big puja of this area. Just see how the bamboos have been designed. So there is the pandal over here. After few days the road will be blocked due to the pandals. No cars will be allowed here. So this is the puja of this area. This is the Bariganj Cultural Association Durga Puja. Here this is the structure, and this is after the triangular park area. So have a look. On the left side they put the Durga idol, and on the straight you go, that is near the Vivekananda Park on the left. So it goes to Southern Avenue area in Southern Kolkata. So this is the Baliganj Cultural Association Durga Puja. This is also one of the famous puja in Southern Kolkata. See behind me, as I shown you, this is the Baliganj Cultural Puja, and you can see all the structures have been made. This was for all the advertising and all. And here on that side, the roads are completely blocked during puja. And here on this side also there is another puja. So I am not remembering the name of this puja. These are all for, I think, for the decoration stuff. We have all these stands. These are all for the decoration stuff. And oh my god, there are lots of dark clouds over. I have to hurry. Or else it will start raining and I won't be able to show you anything. The pandal near Baliganj Cultural, and let's have a look. Just have a look. All the work are going on. And these are all for the decoration stuff related to decorations. So this was all from the Baliganj cultural area, and now next up I show you the Deshopriya Park, the famous Deshopriya Park. Once it made the tallest Durga Puja. Oh my god, so much of lightning. I don't know why suddenly from nowhere this dark clouds came. So as I was telling, Deshopriya Park was that famous pandal where it made the tallest Durga Puja idol, Durga Puja pandal, tallest Durga Puja. So that is the next one I am going to show you. I have just entered Deshopriya Park. This is Deshopriya Park. This is the back side of the Deshopriya Park entrance. So oh my god, where's the pandal this year? I can just spot the pandal. Where's the pandal? Oh, there it is. Just have a look how small this pandal is compared to other years. In this area only, few years back they set up the tallest Durga ever made in history. And this year, so small pandal. Just have a look at this year's pandal. So this is the pandal till now. I think it has just started few days back only and just starting, and still the work is going on. I don't know how the progress will be in the next 10 to 12 days, but I think compared to other years, this pandal would be short, small actually. All the lightning and sound system setup kept here. These are all the lights over here. These are all the electric cables still left to be set up. You had a slight idea of how this Deshopriya Park Puja pandal will be this year. And the other pandals also, Baliganj Cultural, Lake Dahlia, Shinghi Park, Bhojpur. Now one pandal left in this area. I have to go. It is near to the Deshopriya Park only. So just wait. And this building, this is my favorite place to shoot photo because of this old building. I like to click photos over here. And on the right side there is another big puja of this area. Just wait. The Kolkata peoples of Kolkata will be able to relate to this entrance gate of this pandal, and here it is, the pandal I was talking about. So this is the pandal. They make huge beautiful pandals every year. This is the Tridhara Sammilani Durga Puja pandal. Every year they make huge pandals. This is the Tridhara Sammilani Durga Puja. You can watch the banner over here. They make beautiful pandals every year. This lane, this full lane is crowded during Durga Puja. I show you during the scene over here during the Durga Puja. This is the Tridhara Sammilani. Most of the work has been done, and have a watch over here. This area people starts from Bhojpur and go straight here to Shuruchi Shango near Alipur. I am not going there because I have a walk after this. So this is the last pandal of this region, and please to follow me on Instagram. I will be posting more photos of Durga Puja pandals during Durga Puja. People located outside Kolkata in this year will be able to enjoy the flavor, the the enjoyment of Durga Puja with me in my video this year. So for that you have to subscribe to the channel and like the video so that the reach of the video will increase. So this was all from Pithala Formula in Durga's shop, and now I will be heading towards my home. I have to face lot of traffic because it's around 3 and people are out for the Durga Puja shopping in this region, so the traffic is also more. So this was all for the South Kolkata Durga Puja pandals near Gorihat area, basically to be specific. These are I shown you the pandals near Gorihat area only. And now let me take off my sunglasses because it's cloudy now, and after soon it will start raining. So this was all from this area. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. And if you want to watch the other videos I made before for the Durga Puja preparation 2020, please do watch. I'll leave the playlist link over here. Do have a watch, you will also enjoy it. People who are not able to be in Kolkata this year will be able to get the flavor of Durga Puja through my videos. So till then, bye bye, and hope everyone will enjoy their Durga Puja this year. We have to keep our enjoyment to our limits, not like everywhere we won't be able to enjoy the Durga Puja this year. So new year, new challenges for us. So bye bye and stay safe.